When creating a Revit family, template selection is crucial for the successful implementation of a family. This doesn't matter whether the family is complex or really easy. From your startup screen, click on New Family. Depending on how your system has been set up, you'll get English templates in metric, or you'll get imperial templates. And here we're given a big list of templates to select from. You can see that these are divided with some additional folders for annotations, for conceptual mass, and for title blocks. These templates are not included in the DVD, as they should be included in your standard install. As you can see here, we have a fairly comprehensive list of family templates. There is at least one notable omission. Looking down this list, we've got no air terminal template, but it's possible to create an air terminal. We can also see in this list that we've got some items that say line-based, or pattern-based, or ceiling-based, wall-based, or hosted, and some that just have a name. This is where the template selection is crucial, as once you go down the route of a non-hosted family, you cannot change the family when loaded into your project for a hosted family. And there are going to be projects where you will be using both, possibly even of the same fitting type, although that's not quite recommended. The family type that has the most options is the generic model. We have adaptive, ceiling-based, face-based, floor-based, line, pattern, roof, wall, and an unhosted version. So just to repeat, once you start with a particular template, you cannot change it from an unhosted to a hosted one. But what you can do is change the category within certain limits. Let's take the metric generic model template as an example. At this point, it doesn't matter whether you're using metric or imperial, but I will include both of these templates in the Chapter 6 folder. Click on Open. Revit opens the family editor, and here we can see that the interface has changed, and the entire ribbon has gone from having a Systems tab to start with to a Create tab. The project browser has also changed. Although we can add views in here, we start with a standard set. The Properties palette has also changed. The way the templates have been supplied is that if I click on the View tab and go to Tile the Windows, Revit automatically has 4 windows open: the floor plan, the front elevation, the left elevation, and a 3D view. This helps us see our work progress. But back to the category. Click on the Create tab, and you'll find the Family Category and Parameters button. Here you can see that the category is set to Generic Model. We can also see that on the Properties palette. And if we want to, we can change the category to Air Terminals. This list isn't comprehensive because of the filter. Ticking all disciplines gives us a list of all the family categories available. So at this point, I can change my family category to Air Terminals. Click on OK, and now we have an air terminal family. When this family is saved and loaded into a project, it becomes an air terminal. But remember, this is an unhosted family. If I wanted to have a hosted air terminal family, then I'd have to start again, use the correct hosting generic template, and go through the same process of changing the family category.